Hello from Fanta BH. I've created this quick video to provide you with accurate information. I noticed a mistake in my previous video and wanted to clarify. Additionally, I've moved an SSD that was previously connected to SATA 2 to a SATA 3 port, resulting in noticeable improvements. Apart from this change, everything else remains consistent with the previous video. In the previous video, the drive mentioned as a 512GB 2.5-inch SATA 3 SSD was inaccurately labeled as a PCI X4X SSD drive. However, the drive shown in the current presentation is a Samsung SSD that utilizes the PCI X4X interface, even though it is advertised as an SSD SATA 3 drive. The drive depicted in the photo is the one in question. Despite attempting to locate it online using the model number, only NVMe M2 drives are found. Upon closer examination of the current photo, it's possible that this drive might even be an M2 drive inserted into a PCI X4X adapter. I'd appreciate your thoughts on this possibility. Interestingly, I acquired this drive around 5-6 years ago, placed it into my PC, and never really took notice of what lies beneath the heatsink. This SSD drive was initially connected to a SATA 2 port. However, I've since relocated it to a SATA 3 port, resulting in a noticeable improvement in performance. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to connecting with you in the next video.